Hey y'all, today I'm showing you how I got this look at home for a very affordable price using products from V Eyelashes. So like I said, the products that I'm using are mostly from a company called V Eyelash, and I got their Pink Series Lash Accessory Kit. So I have two tweezers, the curved ones and the straight ones. I have a set of clean mascara brushes, a set of lip brushes, but I use them to clean my lashes. They're sensitive eyelash glue. This is like a pad that you can put the lash strips on to hold them in place. I got 5 rolls of tape. A set of the glue ring holders. And I got 2 packs of lashes. One is the self-fanning lash and one is just the regular individual lashes that you would have to make the fans for yourself. Like I said, I have the sensitive eyelash glue so the fumes won't bother me. And I have my eyelid taped up so that I can get a better view of where to place the lashes. I watched several videos from girls like Denise Degray and another girl that will be linked down below just to see how this process would go. I'm basically doing what they did in the videos. I'm taking the fans and placing them directly under my natural lashes, trying not to touch my skin and just staying right above my skin. I'm using the 15mm lengths in the middle, and I'm using the 13mm on the side in order to get a doll look like Denise Degray did in one of her videos. And I'm making sure that I am using the fan in between me placing more lashes because I want the last one to be dry so that when I place the other one, it doesn't fall off. So now you can see that this is one without and one with the lashes. And now I'm moving on to my other eye. I love this because it was a pretty simple process and it's so much cheaper to do things on your own rather than paying $60 every 2 weeks to refill your lashes. You can just do it at home. I loved all the products from this company. I love their lash kit and I love the quality of their lashes. The only thing for me is that their shipping is a little expensive, but they do have an Amazon store where the shipping is free, but they might not have some of the same products. All of the products that I'm using will be linked in the description box so you can see exactly what I used, exactly the links, and exactly the links to the products. And these are the finished results. I would say they last me about 2 weeks before I have to fill it in, but I love them so much. I'm so happy with my results. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.